Yabona le is to 2:3, igabili igathathu. Because if you look at it on the flip side of things, it looks like Umawake, she is jealous. She's jealous that Umatha is having quality time with her child and the child looks happy in return. I think with her, she wanted the child now we're talking about Kaise. She wanted Kaise to have anger towards Martha, anger le engapheli, and so that she can still look like the good mother that she always has been. She has been a good mother. We applaud her for that and we appreciate that. But that does not mean ukuthi yena she must be stumbling block manje ukuthi uMartha must not access the child. However, on the other side of things, I think uMartha sekayenza kakhulu, and all the good teachings that uMamncane has been giving to uKayise, they are now looking like it's not important. First, uKayise uyadla uyashiya izitsha, but just leave them there, the waitress will come pick them up, which also shocked ubhuti wakhe ukuthi hayibo manje wena Kayise kunini. Ufanyana was shocked ukuthi hayibo, since when do you eat ushizija? And then the next thing uMartha tells uKayise ukuthi, you know what, mangidlula lemhlabeni, I want you to take over the hotel. You're going to be the owner, you're going to be the boss, and I think that was a premature conversation, because now Ukayise needs to focus on going to school. After this conversation, do you think Ukayise will now have the capacity or the zeal to go to school? Because uyazi ukuthi ikusasa lakhe liyaqhakaza already as it is, and there is no need for her to work hard for anything, because nakho-ke she's got the entire royal hotel to herself. So that, for me, I feel like it was premature. And I think uzama kakhulu. I think she was just supposed to continue where uMamncane left off and stop overdoing these things, because now ibe worse. Today she said, come have a seat, guys. Let's sip on a glass of wine. And then guys, according to the morals that she was taught, I cannot drink in front of my parents. So I would drink with my friends, but in front of my parents, I can't do that. Now Martha is breaking those rules. I understand where she's coming from. It's like now she wants to which the entire gap of 18 years with only 2 weeks. That does not work like that. And in return, she's breaking all the morals, all the right things, all the right teachings. She's uthi nje awuyazi ukuthi umamncane wakho uStiffy lapha abahlala bathi what do you even mean? But okay, anyway, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanibonani, Abshin, molweni, ninjani? Hipfukile hingongwina. So namuhla kanona kwa hina wa Smoke and Mirrors hikuma ku ri swilo swi tshamisekangi kahle, because umfundisi, she's really not happy. She's really not happy. She was talking to umfundisi about it, and it got to a conversation where umfundisi say, do you want to try for a baby? So maybe mhlambe khona ozokhala la endlini, but umfundisi says she has tried with her previous husband, who happens to be ubhuti kamfundisi, and then it did not come right. But then umfundisi say mhlambe uNkulunkulu uzosihawukela this time around, and so I think it's worth trying. And nakhona I feel like umamncane nje una this thing yokuthi ungathi uluza uKayise, so much so that she feels ukuthi even the good things that come up she cannot celebrate. She was very pissed to find out uKayise says she was going to take over the hotel. That is good news. It was spilled prematurely, but she was not supposed to be thrown off the bus, and she went home very upset. Atshela umfundisi ukuthi lalela, I was okay when I was going there ukuthi ngiyobona uKayise, but then when I got there uMartha umtshela ukuthi uzophatha nanti hotel. So I'm not happy with that, and she got so pissed. And I feel like the way she's getting so angry, the chances of ukuthi azame futhi ukuba nengane, they are very slim, because she's focusing on what? uKayise. Anyhow, when we speak of focus, Mr. Mayor ngathi usengozini, because uBaphoyisa phakade decided that he was going to dish some files to the opponent. And the opposition now have ammunition. Qumba phansi ubani? Mr. Mayor. He was given a file that has all the information and all the shenanigans that Mr. Mayor has been doing, and all that information is information that is good enough to convince you to know this is not a mayor that is supposed to be sitting on the throne as a mayor. Magayehle, because corruption was exposed in that file. So now, which means that manje uSakhile has an upper hand when it comes to Bani Jackson. So now the question is, what is uSakhile going to do with that file? Because it has been handed to him in black and white, signatures, information, invoices, and everything. Ooh, guess what? Amaphepha ndaba. I saw that being published on a public platform. So which means that Jackson is going down. Can he just go down for real this time around? Because it's like every time I am sure which is going down, something just comes up and then he's got backup for days. Njani guys, can he just go down? Speaking of going down, there's somebody who is really, really going down. Utim is drinking himself to sleep. He's drinking like a fish, but we thank God for the three musketeers that are there to assist. They said they were going to call a meeting so that they can sit pants in Utim, because Utim is not that utandu jwala. It's just because uyaperisha umntana bantu, and it's bad to a point where now it looks like he's underperforming at work. He's going to work late, and nakhona he's not doing what he's supposed to be doing, because kuphi udakiwe lo muntu akakwazi ukuvuka, akwazi ukuyima. He cannot even do anything for himself. No good, like he's not eating. He's just poop drunk all the time. So the three musketeers said, you know what, this is the time where we intervene as friends and make sure that siyamseka umngani wethu. Even if it means cooking, washing, cleaning for him, we're going to do it so that we can be good friends. Nakhona, so that he must know, ukuthi, even in these difficult times, we are there as his friends. And this is almost saying, and I was like, that is so beautiful, and I'm so happy. But the question is, Utim, will he accept this as a help and love, or is he going to look at it as their controller? Because when he arrived, he said, kanti buphi utshwala nkosi yami, ngizelami la ngifuna undawo, ngicela ngifuna uphuza. And I'm thinking, sizama ukulungisa wena la. When ufuna ukuphuza, like, you are just not interested in anything that we are doing. Ufuna ukuphuza, but I'm just hoping ukuthi at the end of the day he will accept ukuthi uyasizwa lana, and then he will gel, and then at the end of the day akaphumela ejwaleni, because now he is now being marked as an alcoholic, and which is a bad thing. So kushukuthi ke manje, now that the friends have put together 2 and 2, then something nje ngiyacabanga ukuthi something somewhere must give. Ladies and gentlemen, again, ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuzinikeza isikhathi senu religiously and come to my channel and watch all these videos. I really appreciate that.